In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fill out the application form for the City College of New York. Whether you're a freshman, a transfer student, or a graduate hopeful, this guide will walk you through the entire process, ensuring your application is completed smoothly and efficiently. First, it's crucial to determine the correct application type that applies to you. If you're applying as a freshman or a transfer student, you'll need to use the CUNY application, which you can find at CUNY Admissions. On the other hand, if you're seeking a graduate program, you'll be using the CCNY Graduate Application Portal at gradadmissions.ccny.cuny.edu. Be sure to start on the right page as it sets the course for your entire application process. Once you've landed on the right website, the next step is to create an account. Head over to the designated portal and register using your email address, then create a strong password you'll remember. It's important to save your login information carefully. You'll be using it frequently to track your application status throughout the process. With your account ready, proceed to fill in your personal information. This includes entering your full legal name exactly as it appears on your official documents, along with your date of birth and social security number if applicable. Don't forget to provide your current mailing and permanent addresses, as well as your contact details like email and phone number. Accuracy here helps prevent any potential communication delays. The next section focuses on your academic history. Enter details about all high schools and colleges you've attended, including graduation dates or expected completion dates. Make sure to include your GPA and any standardized test scores if they're mandatory for your application. Note that your transcripts will need to be submitted separately, so keep that in mind as you gather your materials. Selecting your intended program or major is a significant part of the application. When prompted, make sure to choose the City College of New York as one of your preferred CUNY colleges. Then indicate